Are you ready to proactively manage your hotel with AI? Let's start by logging into HotelSense AI. On our advanced daily dashboard, you can see your entire operation at a glance, from the current number of guests to inventory risks. The system detects operational risks and prioritizes the decisions you need to make. Inventory management is now much smarter. Easily track hundreds of items. Products approaching their expiration dates or dropping to critical levels are instantly highlighted by the system. Keep a finger on the financial pulse of your hotel in the Sales and Finance panel. Analyze your 30-day revenue trend, average basket size, and recommendations. The system processes external factors and sales data to offer you customized campaigns. You can easily reject an unwanted suggestion or trigger a brand new analysis. For example, approve a discount campaign for items nearing expiration with a single click, preventing waste and turning it straight into revenue. Through the Documents tab, you can upload your hotel policies or menus, ensuring the AI operates entirely according to your standards. Manage your preferences from the Settings and System Status screen. With its powerful background AI engine, HotelSense AI takes hotel management into the future.